we introduce products for you made in Korea. Stay with us in K-Unboxing.
Hi everyone, welcome to K-Unboxing, where we introduce to you brilliant and high-quality K-Way products which is made in Korea. This is WD, aka One Day.
Yay!
So, with me here today is an unboxing girl, Yasmin.
Yeah, hi everyone. This is Yasmin, your unboxing girl. I bring Korean products for all our audience around the world, and I will show you that shopping can bring happiness to you.
Welcome back, welcome back.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
Yeah, it's been a long time since our last meal.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So, how was your week?
My week was really busy, but I didn't miss bringing 3 more products for you this week as well.
Oh, so it means that you found some hot cream products for us, right?
Yes, of course.
Oh my God.
And I can say that today's products are dedicated for face.
For face.
Yes, for face.
Items for face. Oh my God, can't wait to see that.
Yeah, me too.
Oh.
Whoa, my sketch.
Delivery is here.
What do you think we have in this box today?
If they're for face, that would be cosmetic, right?
Yeah, right. You got it right. Actually, we have something related to cosmetics, and it's related to makeup. I can say, thing that you really need.
Okay, can't wait to see it. Why don't we open it?
Yeah, please, quickly.
Okay. So I prepare some.
You're cute now. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Is this a cotton swab?
Yes, as you can see, it says cotton swabs. So let us take a look.
Is this something for our face?
It's really cute though. Yes, of course, it's for your face. I will give you one so you can hold it and see how can we use this.
Is this for hitting our nose?
No.
No. Okay. Or hitting our ears?
No. It makes sense though, but don't do this. Not for today. It's really different. If you're curious, we can take a look at the video first and maybe we can see how can we use this.
Okay, so why don't we use it? Why don't we look at the video?
Yeah, let's take a look.
Let's take a look.
Hi guys, this is Mihee again, and my eyes are very tired right now because I wear a lot of contact lenses and a lot of eye makeup. And today I brought the solution, which is, ta-da! Do you guys know what this is? It looks like a normal cotton swab, but it actually has a secret. Let's go find out.
Let's take a look at the secret.
Yay!
So you'll see it's not for picking your nose or your ears.
So I heard that this cotton swab is very helpful to your eye health. Is that true?
요즘같이 초미세먼지라든가 콘택트렌즈 착용이라든가 스마트폰의 잦은 사용으로 인하여 현대인들의 눈이 굉장히 안 좋아지고 있어요. 고를 때 저희 눈꺼풀 세정제로 눈 건강을 지킬 수 있습니다. 그래서 이거 한번 보시면 이 안에 이제 용액이 들어있어요. 그래서 이렇게 해서 트위스트해서 열면 용액이 바로 밑으로 내려가거든요.
It's getting down.
Yeah.
이 용액이 묻어져서 닫은 다음에 이 부분을 이렇게 한번 싹 한번 닦아내시면 눈을 한번 씻어낸 것처럼 굉장히 개운한 느낌을 받으실 수가 있습니다.
So I'm kind of curious if this cleanser is safe to use for your eyes. Could you tell us about it?
저희 오큐솔루션 용액 같은 경우는 안에 하이드롤라이즈드 콜라겐 성분이 들어있어서 눈가에 자극이 없어요. 그리고 이 용액에 EWG 그린 등급의 천연 성분으로 들어가 있어서 눈 안에 들어가도 자극이 없고요. 노년층부터 어린이까지 다 사용할 수 있는 그런 안전한 제품입니다.
And what caused you to make this kind of product?
어떻게 하면 눈을 깨끗하고 건강하게 지킬 수 있을까 고민하던 차에 이 제품을 만들었습니다. 저희 오큐솔루션 3종 제품은요, 미세먼지 세정력 테스트를 받은 제품이고요. 그리고 민감성 저자극 테스트도 받아서 어떠한 연령층이나 누구에게 사용해도 굉장히 안전하게끔 만들어진 제품이에요. 이번에 2020 서울어워드 우수 상품에 선정된 우수한 제품입니다.
So I personally use it after I take off my makeup because even after cleansing, there is some eyeshadow and mascara left. And as you cleanse it, you can actually see the mascara and eyeshadow. So it will help you to cleanse your eye makeup like completely. So I hope you guys try it too. Is there any other product for your eye health?
요 히팅 마스크 제품이에요. 요 히팅 마스크 같은 경우는 일제 이제로
Oh,
Another surprise for you.
is that an eye mask?
Yes.
열을 내게 해주는 히팅 패치가 있고요. 거기에다가 하이드로겔 마스크를 얹으면 열이 나는 그런 제품.
This one is so fancy though.
Mariah.
처음에는 차가워요. 시간이 한 1분 정도 지나면 점점 열이 발생을 하게 되는데요. 요 4개 포인트에서 열이 발생하는 게 포인트예요. 그래서 눈에 있는 혈액순환에 도움도 되고요. 요 안에 이제 눈가에 저기 잔주름이라든가 그런 다크서클이라든가 그런 거를 완화해주는 그런 제품이에요.
It's getting hotter as time goes by.
Yeah, so it relaxes your eyes.
저희 코모트리는 2019년 3월에 오큐솔루션 3종과 아이케어 히팅 마스크를 출시하는데요. 저희가 4월에 쿠웨이트, 그리고 11월 달에 캐나다, 그리고 베트남, 아랍에미레이트 그렇게 저희가 지금 수출을 하고 있고요. 저희가 베트남, 미얀마 그쪽 인증까지 저희가 다 확보해 놓은 상황입니다.
Not just for Korea.
Yeah.
If you want healthy eyes, you're gonna need this. Try it.
Ta-da! So
Okay.
we have the items here, and I want to tell you a fun fact because they mentioned Arab countries before and earlier, I mean in the video. And you know what? Because Arab people, they love to have like black eye makeup, like from the inside of the eye.
Inside of the eye.
Yes, it's good not only for the smoky eyes, even for Koreans when you have like natural makeup, you know,
Yeah,
and you
it
do the
is.
aegyo style, and it's really
Aegyo
nice.
style.
It's really nice for removing it. It won't get off with the normal eye remover. We can try it on our
Oh.
hands. So yeah, results.
It works really well.
Yeah. So what do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah, I really like it.
Would
well,
you use it in like daily life?
Well, I think I can use this after I perform the stage.
Yeah, exactly.
No.
When you have like heavy makeup on your face.
And especially I like this individual package. It's so handy.
Yeah, it is.
No.
You can just put it in your bag or in your pocket and you can just instantly remove your makeup.
I'm so thank you for this.
So yeah, thank you for liking my product.
Yeah, thank you for sharing. So can we move on to the second one?
Yeah, let's see the second box. Let's see what we have.
Thank you.
Delivery is here.